the old rubber components. The 3 solenoid valves are also badly worn, and this also causes the slipping. We'll replace them with original parts.
Then replace the old chassis bushings and shocks.
Replace hundreds, pay.
Replace the lower B joint. Clean the cabin again before boarding.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Finally, let's all test the car. The front drive belt is silky smooth, there's no body roll, and gear shifts are also very smooth.